Want to turn a simple blog post or script into a full video without hiring an editor? In this video, I'll show you how to use a free AI tool called Pictory to create stunning, faceless videos in just minutes. Let's jump right in. First, go to Pictory.ai and sign up for a free account. You don't need a credit card to try it out. Once you're in, choose the script to video option. This is where the magic starts. Now paste in your script, blog post, or idea. Pictory will automatically break it into scenes and generate video content around it. You can edit the text, add emphasis, or highlight key points, all right inside the editor. Next, choose a template style. Pictory offers dozens of themes with fonts, colors, and layouts. Pick one that matches your niche: educational, cinematic, corporate, or casual. Then hit generate. Here's the fun part. You can upload your own voiceover or choose from Pictory's built-in AI voices. Just click Audio and select your preferred option. You can also add background music, adjust timing, and preview everything in real time. Once you're happy with the visuals and voice, click Generate Video. Pictory will process your scenes and send you a download link. You've now created a fully edited, voiceover-ready, faceless YouTube video without touching any complex software. That's how you turn text into video using Pictory. Fast, simple, and perfect for growing your faceless YouTube channel. Want more tools like this? Hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a full tutorial on Lumen 5 next.